Let me ask you a question. Are you worried about project management and your career that it may not survive the next 5 or 10 years? AI, automation, digital transformation are all changing the game and fast. But here's the truth. You don't have to be left behind. And in fact, you not can only survive, but you can thrive. So today, I'm going to show you the steps you need to future-proof your career as a project manager so you stay relevant, you stay in demand, and you stay ahead of the curve. Does that sound good? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Bill Dow here. I am super excited about this one. And I've been helping project managers and PMO managers navigate complex projects for over 30 years. I think it's 36 or something. And something I've learned is project management just isn't about schedules and budgets or risk registers. The rules are changing. If you want to remain strong, effective, and a highly sought-after project manager, you need to think strategically about your career. Just like you do with your projects, you got to do that with your career. So today, I got 5 sections and 5 areas I want to talk to you about on how to future-proof your career as a project manager. That sound good? Awesome, let's jump in. The main area that I have to tackle is the AI impact on project management. Let's start with the big picture here. Artificial intelligence and automation is no longer future possibilities. They're here. It's reshaping what project managers do today. Think about it. Tasks like scheduling, status reporting, even risk analysis is increasingly being assigned or replaced by AI-driven tools, right? But here's the opportunity. The more you understand and work alongside these tools, the more value you can add, because we're at the beginning stages here, right? The shift is clear. The less focus on repetitive and administrative tasks and more focus on strategic, decision-making, stakeholder management, communications, leading your team through complexities of these challenging projects. So project managers who embrace AI, they won't be replaced, they'll become indispensable. That makes sense? Okay, section 2 is around upskilling your career for resilience, right? How do you make sure that you're one of those indispensable PMs? Well, you have to start with your own skill sets. Traditional project manager skills, scheduling, budget, risk tracking, they're necessary, they're still critical, but they're not enough. What we have to do is we have to shift and upskill in strategic thinking. Thinking about understanding the business impacts of your projects, not just about the tasks, right? Data literacy, right? Be comfortable with analyzing metrics, interpreting dashboards, and making decisions based on data that is informing those decisions, right? Change leadership. Help your team navigate the change, whether it's a new tool, new methodology, new business initiative. Organizational change management is a critical skill that project managers have to upskill. So I want to take a minute today and assess your skill gaps. Let's just talk about it. Which of these areas do you think you need to strengthen? And how do you do that? Do you do it through online courses, mentorship, real-world project management experience, right? Don't just learn from the concepts, right? Apply them. So when you're getting a mentor and you're taking these online classes, right, and you're working your projects, apply what you've learned to your projects. And it's going to really strengthen and up your skill level.
Hold on for a quick second. Bill is going to show you something that might really help. Back in a moment.
Are you running a PMO or constantly explaining your PMO, right? I talk to PMO leaders all the time who are working hard, doing the right things, but struggling with visibility, executive trust, and direction of their PMO. That's not because they lack experience, but because the PMO was never set up to lead, but only to react. Does that make sense? That's exactly why I built the PMO Leadership Acceleration Program. This isn't a content library. It's a structured program that helps PMO leaders establish clarity, credibility, and influence using the same frameworks that I've used for over 25, 26 years now. It's been a long time. So, who is this for? This is for PMO leaders or senior project managers who carry the responsibility, they carry real pressure, and real executive exposure. If that sounds like you, join the program today and claim your founding members 30% off discount while it's still available. Stop guessing. Start leading your PMO with confidence.
Thanks for sticking around. Let's get back to it.
Section 3, really the third thing I wanted to cover, was the human element. Think about soft skills and leadership. Even in an automated world, there's one thing that AI can't replace, and that's human judgment, empathy, leadership, right? Your ability to influence, negotiate, and manage relationships is now a superpower that AI will not get to for a long, long time. So you want to focus on emotional intelligence, understanding your team and your stakeholders, anticipating their concerns, communicating effectively, right? That's all things that you as a human can do. Complex problem solving, right? Breaking down these big, crazy problems, making them clear, having actionable recommendations, right? That's still going to need a human to do that, and adaptability. When the unexpected happens, your ability to pivot is what sets you apart. So remember, these tools come and go, but strong leadership and soft skills are timeless. The PMs who thrive on those can guide people and not just tasks. And I can't stress enough how important that is. Number 4, building your career portfolio. Let's talk about your career portfolio. This isn't a personal track record of all the value you've delivered. It's about, and not just about listing the projects you've managed, it's about showing the impact of your work, right? You want to identify high growth niches in project management. AI projects, you've worked on digital transformation projects, you've worked on sustainability initiatives, right? You want to document the successes that you've demonstrated that really drive that strategic value. What were the problems you had? What did you solve? How did you overcome challenges? And how did you add business value? Right? You want to network. You want to publish these insights. You want to share your experience. But you want to be a visible thought leader, not just a project executor. Does that make sense? Because that's a real game changer from a PMO or a PM career perspective. Number 5, long-term career agility. Finally, future-proofing your career requires that long-term agility. Project management isn't static. It's an evolving constantly, and so your career has to evolve as well. That means embracing a growth mindset, treating every challenge as a learning opportunity. Experience with new tools and techniques and approaches. Don't wait for your company to mandate them. Explore them yourselves. Proactively seek new challenges. The PMs who stay relevant are always at the forefront, not waiting for change to happen to them. So think of your career like a project, right? Plan strategically, monitor progress, and adjust based on the environment you're in. You want to do this consistently, and you'll remain a sought-after project manager no matter what changes in the landscape, no matter what company you're at as well. So let's wrap this up. What's your first step? Pick one skill to develop this week. Just one. Maybe it's learning a new AI tool. Maybe it's improving your data analysis or building leadership skills or taking an online class. But you want to take that action now. The PM career of tomorrow, it doesn't wait, right? You've got to take the initiative, and then you'll drive that career forward. So if you found these types of videos valuable, subscribe, hit the bell, check out the other videos where I share very practical strategies to level up your project management career. Stay ahead, stay relevant, and let's future-proof your career together. Thank you, and I'll see you online. Thanks.